Let's take I teach you that various power various system. Today I give you the fire protection, that is the fire and the smoke alarm system. So when you use that energy efficient design or any building, the fire risk is also important. So even you use all the air conditioning system or the buildings electrical system or the laundry or any ventilation system, every building need to be installed with the fire protection system. So now I give you how the fire protection system is installation and how we install and check the fire protection system. So this being also important. Another one is in the buildings they are the risky area. If you use a refrigeration plant, so every the whole area will be the den. So this is a risky plant. So this is special area. So for the special area, we have to provide the appropriate electrical wiring protection, appropriate wiring protection, appropriate ventilation, appropriate equipment to be utilized for the special hazardous area. Now I give you those outlines on those things. The ionization. Ionization means that when the fire happens, the smoke coming out. Those smokes are carrying the ion. Ion means that the electrical particles that they are charged are carried by the smoke. So that when the smoke are coming here, those electrons are normally in separation, the no connection. No connection is the normally these two electrodes, A and B has a no electrical connection. But when there's smoke coming out from any building or any chamber, so this is called a chamber system, the relevant chamber. So from the chamber, the smoke are coming here. So those smoke are the pull between these two A and B electrodes. So this may be it covering the electrical circuit. So the smoke current will pass it through to the electronics. So that the electronic circuit includes the amplifier. So the input current can be amplified to make the larger gain. So that when the gain enough, so the power it is trick on the power circuit. The power circuit is a trick on. So the electrical current flow. So that you can see the Tesla and the fire alarm will make the power. So this is for the typical fire protection system. This is common for the either residential building or air conditioning and refrigeration plant or the commercial area or the factory. So this is for the common. So if you want to install any system, so we have to also provide a smoke detector system. Because when the inlet for the commercial air conditioning and refrigeration plant, so you are using the commercial big motor, so big motor, big compressor, so they are running. So those motors are drawing the higher current, or sometimes can go to the electrical fault or fire can be risked. Especially the sound the gas are hazardous. So when those fire broke out, the gas coming out. So with those smoke detectors and the fire protection system need to provide it.
So this is for the photovoltaic fire detection system. So normally light is fall on the solar cell. When the fire happens, that the light fall on the solar cell will be distracted, so that it will be sensed by the sensor and the alarm will be operated. So there will be the selection of the alarm. Depending on the selection of the alarm, we have to select the appropriate alarm selection. The first are most likely to cause is an injury. So in this case, we have to grow the appropriate selection. So some are the temperature sensor, some are the light sensor system. So we have to install the appropriate smoke detector at the appropriate location. Location, when the considering the location of the smoke alarm, the main reason for the installing then should be kept in mind. The sleeping areas of the building is the main focus of the requirement, because of the object of the installing the smoke alarm is to detect the smoke before it reach the sleeping occupants or the dwelling. So there will be the smoke alarm system, wiring system, then we supplying cable. So this is a smoke alarm system, wiring system. So there is a smoke alarm. Smoke alarm will be supplied with their own dedicated circuit originating at the switchboard, and Also, they connected to the lighting source and connected to the another circuit with energized at 24-hour stays. This is very important system because smoke alarm need to be there's a 24-hour supply as well as it must have the backup battery system. In the case of the main power failure, the backup battery system can still supply the smoke alarm circuit. So this is the location of the smoke alarm system. We allocate the smoke alarm is like alleyway as well as near the bedroom. So this is the location of smoke alarm system. So we have to use a smoke alarm system, and we also in this case I want to avoid the location. We cannot install the smoke alarm like the here. That will be the when the air coming here. This one will be the include the sound of the uh, gas or kitchen some smoke. So the smoke alarm will be wrongly activated. So that in the kitchen we had to utilize the temperature alarm system because in the kitchen the smokes are all the time coming out. So that we had to use a temperature alarm system. When the smoke alarm should not be installed, the place where the place where attracts the cooking smoke, the place where the steam from the barrel can reach in kitchen or the airstream passing through the kitchen. In the garage, when the exhaust fume may present near the barrel or very humid area within 3 meters from the barrel, within 6.5 meters from the gas heater and near the water heater. The no place we cannot install the smoke alarm system. Therefore, the hazardous area can be classified cross-linked with the zone. So zone 0 is an area which the explosive gas and explosive is present. So 1 is an area in which the explosive gas and explosive is likely to occur, and zone 2 is an area in which explosive gas atmosphere is not likely to occur in normal operation. And it does occur when it exists for short periods only. So this is the ways those are the depending on the zone we have to install the appropriate fire alarm system as well. So the method of the explosion protection. So not only are utilizing the detecting the fire, the best thing is a elimination. Elimination means that all explosion need to be eliminated. So therefore is a method of the explosion of protection. We use the explosion method, we use the explosion containment, we use the energy limitation, ventilation, avoidance of the ignition. Those are the important aspects to protect the fire. So types of the explosion protection include the dust exclusion, ignition process crossing with the ASR 2236, DIB, hermetic sealant, ESH, MCASHUT system. In this case, we use the ASR 2431, so ESN, and non-sparking ASR 29809, ESN. So those are the appropriate oxygen standard. Also that we use the oil immersion, ESO, pressure enclosure, crossing with the ASR 2380.4, ESP, central EHG, and flame pressure enclosure, AS 2380.2, AHD, and other ventilation, ASR 1482, ESO, increase our safety, AS2380, ESE, special protection, AS1826, EHS, and increases our safety, AS2380.7, ESR. So here will be there's a construction that will increase release safe equipment that will be used. Wiring system is we put into the special conduit, metallic conduit, fireproof conduit, and we have to utilize the safety barrier when we install and the access associated equipment. So that will be the hazardous area and the safe area, that will be the barrier we have to utilize. In this case, our restricted cable specification in that sense, so we have to utilize that there's restricted wiring system. Also the safety barrier devices to restrict the current flowing or voltage. So this is the things are important for the restriction. Therefore, we have to utilize equipment for the wiring system which are not permitted in the hazardous area. Those wiring systems cannot be utilized. Only the approved equipment and installation are permitted in the hazardous area. The following are the prohibited. We cannot use a battery charger and control equipment. We cannot use a low pressure beaver discharge. We cannot use the equipment containing the liquid with a dielectric with the flash point less than the 250 degrees centigrade. We cannot use a bag conductor. We cannot use an open wiring system. And she's at the time ESR wiring system, cable trunking, busway, and also area warning system and the low extra loads threat system. Though they cannot be used in the fire hazard area.